The Proverbs chapter 9 verses 1 to 18 and chapter 10 verses 1 to 32. 1 Wisdom has built her house. She has carved out her 7 pillars. 2 She has prepared her meat. She has mixed her wine. She has also set her table. 3 She has sent out her maidens. She cries from the highest places of the city. For whoever is simple, let him turn and hear. As for him who is void of understanding, she says to him, 5 Come, eat some of my bread, drink some of the wine which I have mixed. 6 Leave your simple ways and live. Walk in the way of understanding. 7 One who corrects a mocker invites insult. 1 Who reproves a wicked man invites abuse. 8 Don't reprove a scoffer, lest he hate you. Reprove a wise person, and he will love you. 9 Instruct a wise person, and he will be still wiser. Teach a righteous person, and he will increase in learning. 10 The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. The knowledge of the Holy One is understanding. 11 For by me your days will be multiplied. The years of your life will be increased. 12 If you are wise, you are wise for yourself. If you mock, you alone will bear it. 13 The foolish woman is loud, undisciplined, and knows nothing. 14 She sits at the door of her house, on a seat in the high places of the city. 15 To call to those who pass by, who go straight on their ways. 16 Whoever is simple, let him turn and hear. As for him who is void of understanding, she says to him. 17 Stolen water is sweet, food eaten in secret is pleasant. 18 But he doesn't know that the departed spirits are there, that her guests are in the depths of Sheol. The Proverbs chapter 10 verses 1 to 32. 1 The Proverbs of Solomon. A wise son makes a glad father, but a foolish son brings grief to his mother. 2 Treasures of wickedness profit nothing, but righteousness delivers from death. 3 The Lord will not allow the soul of the righteous to go hungry, but he thrusts away the desire of the wicked. For he becomes poor who works with a lazy hand, but the hand of the diligent brings wealth. 5 He who gathers in summer is a wise son, but he who sleeps during the harvest is a son who causes shame. 6 Blessings are on the head of the righteous, but violence covers the mouth of the wicked. 7 The memory of the righteous is blessed, but the name of the wicked will rot. 8 The wise in heart accept commandments, but a chattering fool will fall. 9 He who walks blamelessly walks surely, but he who perverts his ways will be found out. 10 One who winks with the eye causes sorrow, but a chattering fool will fall. 11 The mouth of the righteous is a spring of life, but violence covers the mouth of the wicked. 12 Hatred stirs up strife, but love covers all wrongs. 13 Wisdom is found on the lips of him who has discernment, but a rod is for the back of him who is void of understanding. 14 Wise men lay up knowledge, but the mouth of the foolish is near ruin. 15 The rich man's wealth is his strong city. The destruction of the poor is their poverty. 16 The labor of the righteous leads to life. The increase of the wicked leads to sin. 17 He is in the way of life who heeds correction, but he who forsakes reproof leads others astray. 18 He who hides hatred has lying lips. He who utters a slander is a fool. 19 In the multitude of words there is no lack of disobedience, but he who restrains his lips does wisely. 20 The tongue of the righteous is like choice silver, the heart of the wicked is of little worth. 21 The lips of the righteous feed many, but the foolish die for lack of understanding. 22 The Lord's blessing brings wealth, and he adds no trouble to it. 23 It is a fool's pleasure to do wickedness, but wisdom is a man of understanding's pleasure. 24 What the wicked fear will overtake them, but the desire of the righteous will be granted. 25 When the whirlwind passes, the wicked is no more, but the righteous stand firm forever. 26 As vinegar to the teeth, and as smoke to the eyes, so is the sluggard to those who send him. 27 The fear of the Lord prolongs days, but the years of the wicked shall be shortened. 28 The prospect of the righteous is joy, but the hope of the wicked will perish. 29 The way of the Lord is a stronghold to the upright, but it is a destruction to the workers of iniquity. 30 The righteous will never be removed, but the wicked will not dwell in the land. 31 The mouth of the righteous produces wisdom, but the perverse tongue will be cut off. 30 To the lips of the righteous know what is acceptable, but the mouth of the wicked is perverse. The Proverbs chapter 9 verses 1 to 18 and chapter 10 verses 1 to 32. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more great up and coming pet facts, Bible study, music, and bedtime stories. Good night and sweet dreams until next time.